Already, Jonathan over in Moody is on the line with us. And Jonathan, we appreciate you calling in. As I've been saying, we are here to help. So if you will, go right ahead with your question.
Hey, Ken, how you doing?
Hey, Ken.
My question is, what do I need to do in this situation? To make the story short, I had a car accident back in August, and it was complete brake failure. Well, my insurance company that I contacted after the accident pretty much told me I was, covered. Well, my car was financed, so mandatory. It has to have comprehensive and collision, fully aware, and which is what I had. But when I reported the accident to my insurance company, they just pretty much hung up on me, just refused to cover me, did not come out and check on me. They didn't come out to see my vehicle totaled or not. Just fully neglecting my complete policy that I had. This has been ongoing. Really not sure what to do. All the money that I paid into my policy, well, where did it go? Is this an unethical practice? Is this a bad faith practice or negligence on the insurance company?
What all have you done so far, and what's been your feedback?
As far as the process with contacting them and seeing where I get with them?
Right.
They won't answer. Well, the last time that I talked to them, they hung up on me, and I've gotten a couple of letters in the mail from them but it's them trying to just give me insurance again. Really can't make contact with them to get an answer.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm sure our producer told you not to say the name of the insurance company. Because we try not to do that,
yes.
Run anybody down.
Yeah.
But I will say this: there are insurance companies that we hardly ever have to go to battle with, and then there's others that we sue all the time. And you might have one of those that we have to sue all the time. A couple of things. I say put everything in writing. If you call the insurance carrier and they don't take your call or they hang up on you, you need to follow that up with an email or a letter, and a certified letter. Make sure that somebody has to read your complaint. Secondly, if you were covered, then they have an obligation to timely adjust your claim. Now, they can deny your claim for whatever reason, but they got to tell you why they're denying it. I heard you say that there was brake failure. I didn't hear if it was brake failure on your vehicle or if it was brake failure on the vehicle that may have struck you. I don't know if there was another vehicle involved. But if you've got full insurance, which I think you just talked about it being forced to have full comprehensive collision liability, then you should be covered. A lot of times in these situations, though, people end up upside down, meaning that the amount of insurance is not worth or is less than the amount that's owed on the vehicle. That doesn't sound like that's anything in your case. That sounds to me like you just got a situation where you've got a non-responsive insurance company, and I'd be curious to know which insurance company it is so that I could give you a little bit of advice there, because you handle each insurance company a little bit differently. I mean, give us a shout tomorrow, and let me see if I can hear a little bit more about your case and see if I can give you a tip or two. Okay.
Jonathan, appreciate you calling in, and certainly hope for the best.